A very good morning, class. So, finally, class, we are going to start with the last chapter of the syllabus of this academic year of our secretarial practice. But as usual, before I introduce with the topic, let's have a look at the above images. What comes to your mind when you look at these pictures? You'll say, अरे ये तो बुल है और ये बेर है, बट ये मैम दिखा क्यों रही है हमको? ओके, ऊपर वाला बुल, नीचे वाला बेर, एंड आप बोलोगे ये दोनों साथ में आ गए, बुल और बेर. सो यू आर 50% करेक्ट क्लास. लेकिन with the word bull, I will add the word market. Similarly, with the word bear, I will add the word market. Here, it represents both the bull as well as the bear's market. Okay? Now, when I say bull market and bear market, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि यहाँ पे bulls और bears का trading होता है. These are the terms which are used in this particular topic which you will be studying today. So no problem, still there is time for the topic to come. Observe this particular image class. क्या लगता है कहाँ का image होगा ये? Of course, this is the image from our Mumbai, Amchi Mumbai, Dalal Street. So Dalal means अपन बोलते ना दलाली, broker and agent. So again, brokers are a part of this particular market. Okay. I hope अभी तक आप लोगों ने टॉपिक पहचान लिया होगा. You are familiar with these two terms, right? BSc and NSC. No issues. If you are getting the topic, it's well and good. That means I'm successful in showing you all the pics. And this particular image, which is the ongoing trend, the viral trend which is going on nowadays, the Wolf of Wall Street, none other than the Harshad Mehta scam. Sony Live Originals पे आ रहा है. रिस्क है तो इश्क है, right? So अब तक क्लास आपने पहचान लिया होगा what is the topic that we are going to study. So we are going to start today with finally the last chapter, chapter 12 of our secretarial practice. That is the conclusion. Nahi? Yes, it's none other than stock exchange. So class, this is what we are going to study in today's topic and we are going to start with this particular topic. इसके बारे में already when we started with our syllabus, we have talked many a times. Also, in our recent chapter, you are familiar with this particular diagram as well, classification of financial market, wherein recently we finished the type B market, the capital market. In that, the secondary market is none other than the organized market, which is also called as the share market or the stock exchange. Remember this particular image class? Again, the same thing. The capital market consists of debt and equity. These are the two main instruments. There are other components of capital market, such as the derivative market. You have commodities market, foreign exchange market. So there are a lot of components of capital market over here. So again, the equity and debt market is divided into two parts, primary market and secondary market. And as I told you, secondary market deals with stock exchange. So as you can see the words index, Sensex, Nifty, buyback. So don't worry class, we'll be studying all these terms in this particular topic. So let us start with the introduction part of stock exchange. Stock market is an important constituent of capital market, which is also called as the market for long-term trading. Stock market is a part of financial market where corporate securities are bought and sold. I just now explained you all the figure. Stock market is also called as the organized capital market, wherein the second-hand securities are bought and sold for investment and speculation purposes. So as I told you class, primary market means fresh market. Fresh securities like shares, debentures, bonds, trading किए जाते हैं, but they are purely new, fresh, exclusive. In stock market, the securities which are already bought are traded for investment and speculation purposes. Only listed securities can be traded on a stock exchange. Now, what do you mean by listed? ये भी हमने काफी बार पढ़ लिया है in the previous chapter, but don't worry, in the next slide I'll be giving you all a clear meaning of what is the meaning of listed securities. Stock market is also called as share bazaar, secondary market, stock market or share market. So these are the different names of stock exchange. So as I told you class, in the next slide I'll be clearing your meaning of listed securities. तो securities का मतलब पहले तो आपको पता है क्या होता है, याद है ईपी डीपी जीबी अब्बा डब्बा चब्बा वाला स्मार्ट कोड मैंने आपको सिखाया था. So EP was equity shares, preference shares. Then you have debentures, bonds, government securities, public deposits. These are all examples of securities. Now listed securities का मतलब है securities which are included in the trading list of the stock exchange. In order to get your securities listed, a company has to apply to the stock exchange and comply with its rules and regulation. So if you want that your company ke shares should be listed on the stock exchange, you have to give an application to the stock exchange regarding their rules and regulations as per their eligibility criteria. If you fulfill, your company fulfills the criteria, then your shares can be traded on the stock exchange. So I hope now you're clear with the meaning of listed securities class. All right. So do you remember this figure class? This I had already taught you all when we were doing capital market. तो ज़्यादा पुराना नहीं है, पिछले chapter का diagram I'm showing it to you all. The reason behind it is nothing, but capital market का part है stock market and it is considered as an organized market, you know, wherein the securities are bought and sold. So as I told you, capital market is a combination of D plus E, debt and equity. So they act as an intermediary, an agent, a bridge joining the investors as well as the borrowers. To provide safety and stability to the investors, the stock markets are regulated by SEBI in India. So SEBI के बारे में class you have already studied in the previous year in your secretarial practice का chapter, the last chapter again of your syllabus of 11th standard. So SEBI is nothing but Securities and Exchange Board of India, जो stock market को control करता है, regulate करता है, monitor करता है, supervise करता है. He is the head. जैसे in an institution like college or school, the principal is the head. In the similar manner, consider कि stock market, particular market है जिसका head, जिसका monitor, the head of the family you can say is the SEBI. So in India, all the stock markets are regulated by SEBI. London Stock Exchange. London नाम सुना होगा and you remember the very first big bull market, उसके नीचे मैंने Wall Street लिखा था. So Wall Street कहाँ पे है? Correct, it's in America. So London Stock Exchange, which was founded in the year 1571, is the oldest stock exchange in the world. तो सबसे पहला दुनिया का stock exchange was founded in the year 1571, which is London Stock Exchange. So ये globally मैंने बात करी. Now coming towards India. In India, you have BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, which was founded in the year 1875. BSE is the oldest stock exchange in India. तो पूरे वर्ल्ड का अगर मैं पूछूं, so it is London Stock Exchange, which was founded in around 15th century, as we saw. After that, in India, if I talk, so it is BSE, which is the oldest in India, which was founded in the 18th century. So after the introduction part, let's have a look at the definitions of stock exchange. According to the Securities Contract Regulation Act of 1956, the term stock exchange is defined as it is an association, organization, or body of individuals whether incorporated or not, established for the purpose of assisting, regulating and controlling of business in buying, selling and dealing in securities. तो बहुत सिंपल सादा सा डेफिनेशन दिया है. It can be an association, organization या body of individuals. Whether incorporated means it can be registered या not registered, but it is specifically established for assisting, assist करना, regulating and controlling the business wherein, which is dealing with buying, selling and dealing in securities. Again, securities का meaning I told you, अब्बा डब्बा चब्बा, EP DB GB GP. Okay. Another definition given by Husband and Dockery, they have defined stock exchange as stock exchanges are privately organized market which are used to facilitate the trading in securities. So basically आपको क्या meaning समझा? This market is that market which is organized, which is privately organized, and इसका main purpose is assist, regulate and control the business which deals in buying, selling of securities. ये उसका market है. That is the definition का meaning of stock exchange. So moving on to the next topic class, our next topic deals with features of stock exchange. Now there are some features, 5 to 6 features given in your textbook. So we'll have a quick look at it because they are quite easy. So the important features of stock market, as I told you, सबसे पहला meaning ही उसका क्या है? It is a market for securities. So stock exchange is a place wherein all the types of corporate securities as well as government securities, semi-government securities are traded. तो खाली corporates के लिए नहीं है, it is both for private as well as public bodies. Second hand securities. So if you all have listened to the introduction part very अच्छे से with concentration, then मैंने बोला था यहाँ पे second hand securities deal होती है. No fresh securities are issued over here, and ये चीज मैंने आपको primary market और secondary market में भी सिखाई थी. So secondary market basically is wherein the second hand securities are bought, sold and traded. So securities traded in the stock exchange are those securities which are already issued by the companies. तो उन securities को बोला जाता है second hand securities which are bought and sold among investors in a stock exchange. Number 3, listed securities. Only securities which are listed with the stock exchange can be traded on a stock exchange. तो अगर आपके सिक्योरिटीज अनलिस्टेड है तो आपके सिक्योरिटी स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के लिस्ट में दिखाई नहीं देंगे. Listing of securities helps in protecting the interest of the investors as companies have to strictly comply with the rules laid down by the stock exchange. तो लिस्टिंग करने से क्या होता है? Your company has to strictly follow. फिर कोई मस्ती मजाक नहीं कर सकता है. That means investors का पैसा safe है and it's a guarantee that they will get back their money if you have purchased the shares of listed company. अगर आपने अनलिस्टेड कंपनीज के शेयर खरीदे हैं सो 19-20 थोड़ा डर लगा रहता है, रिस्क रहता है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट गवर्न्ड अंडर द लिस्टिंग, तो उतने जल्दी पकड़ में नहीं आएंगे. बट इफ यू आर बाइंग द शेयर्स ऑफ अ लिस्टेड कंपनी देन आपको डरने की जरूरत थोड़ा सा कम है. ओके, सो इट्स अ मार्केट फॉर सिक्योरिटीज, सेकेंड हैंड सिक्योरिटीज एंड लिस्टेड सिक्योरिटीज. तीनों सिक्योरिटीज क्लियर? ऑल राइट. Moving forward with the next features of stock exchange, it is organized and regulated market. As I told you, unorganized नहीं है जिसके जो मन में आए वो करना है. No, it is properly organized and regulated by SEBI. SEBI को याद रखना है यहाँ पे. So all the companies whose shares are listed have to comply with the SEBI का guidelines. Also, they have to function as per the rules and regulations which are laid down by the stock exchange. अपने rules के हिसाब से नहीं चल पाओगे, then you have to strictly follow the rules of SEBI as well as जो stock exchange पे आपके shares लग रहे हैं. Specific location. The stock exchange is a specific physical place where securities are traded. As I showed you, BSE का building, NSE का building, Dalal Street, एक proper जगह है, जगह का नाम है. It is a marketplace where brokers and intermediaries meet to conduct the dealings in securities. जबकि पहले होता था, nowadays, today, all trading is done electronically on a stock exchange. So both the possibilities are there in today's scenario. Trading only through members. The securities in a stock exchange can be traded only by the members of the exchange on their own behalf or through authorized brokers. So if you're a member, then only, member means if you are a shareholder of the company, then you can trade, or else किसी agent के through or broker के through if you are going, example DP, depository participant, or there are other brokers and agent, if you're going through them, you can deal it in shares of stock exchange. So with this class, the features of stock exchange, the meaning and definition of stock exchange is over. So आपने already topic पहचान लिया था, and I hope now you are more clear with the concepts. Now there are a lot of topics which will be covered. ये तो खाली छोटी सी पिक्चर थी, छोटा सा ट्रेलर था बोल सकती हूँ. मेन पिक्चर कल से चालू होगी. So I hope you all are clear with the introduction part of the stock exchange, which is also the last topic of your syllabus class. So please start studying and take your studies seriously. So thank you so much, class. I stop here for today. If you have got any doubt, please do message me in the comment section. So till then, take care, stay safe, keep studying and keep learning. Stay tuned and keep watching my channel for more updates. Thank you so much, class, for listening to me.